Ask Tom on Home Show.
Manu from Sugarland, Texas has a question about, well, drip repair.
Well, it came from above, as most drips do, Tom. Mano wrote, we started noticing water dripping down into the corner of the washing machine room through the second floor open balcony. I had somebody cut the sheetrock 2 feet in all 3 directions of the corner and dried, as you can see here. So we noticed that the water damage to a couple wood blocks and the plywood. I want the leak fixed and the ceiling put back together. So what are my options for doing that, Tom?
Well, your first option is get the leak fixed first. And so
Right.
I would tell someone to come out and fix that and wait a while, make sure it's not leaking anymore. Then you can get Rudy to come out and fix your ceiling, texture it, paint it. It'll be fine. But as far as getting someone out to really find out what the problem is and solve it and give yourself some time to troubleshoot it to make sure it's solved, I'd call Ideal Roofing. They're waterproofers, and this is a patio problem, and it could be easy, it could be very extensive to fix, I don't know, but you have to fix it because you can see the damage right now I think is livable. I think it'll dry out. I think it'd be sheetrock back fine as long as it stays dry, but I definitely would get that leak fixed, and I think you already know that, Manu. So get Ideal Roofing to come out and see if they can get the leak fixed first. Once it's fixed, you live through some rains, don't rush fixing the ceiling. Make sure everything is good. Then Rudy's Quality Painting come out and fix that ceiling, no problem.
Yeah, that's the one thing is don't rush closing it
No.
up.
Let's get some big rains in there. Go out with a hose. Have some
Right.
fun. Make sure the dang thing is not going to leak anymore.
We did that. We had a leak in a shower upstairs, and it drove Sandy crazy. She wanted to close it right up. I said, no. We want to wait a couple weeks. Let's wait.
Yeah.
Let's see all the kids take a shower, make sure we don't get any leaks. I don't want to open it up again. So that's a good point. Back to your point, Tom, about Ideal Roofing to fix a patio. I think that the challenge is that most people don't think of it as a roof that they're walking on.
Well, it is. It's a roof that you walk on. I like that. That's actually meant for walking. So usually if you layer these things, you'll have the plywood, which we're looking at in that picture. And then on top of that, you're going to have a roof. It could be a TPO. It could be a modified bitumen. It could be a lot of different products that are out there today. And so that roofing material has got to go out. And then you have to decide what kind of walking surface you want. Do you want tile? Do you want slate? Do you want just wood deck look? Whatever the case may be, the walking material has to go on there next so you can walk on it and not disturb the roof. And then at the same time, no matter how the water hits it, it's got to drain away from the building and not drain towards the building. So you got a lot of different issues there. In some cases, you even have insulation board and stuff that goes up there too, because it is a roof and it have heat coming through and you have an air-conditioned space below it. So there's quite a few layers involved. It's not just putting some caulk in a corner and saying it's fixed. It doesn't work that way.
You want to know how things work? Click on that button, Ask Tom at HomeShowRadio.com, the blue one right there. It'll take you to this page right here, which is you can decide whether you're going to write us a question or video us a question. And you get a form, you fill it out, you send it in, you send a picture, and we'll help you out just like that. Manu got an answer. Well, you can get one too, because Tom likes to help. That's why he's been doing this for 34 years, and he's going to do it for another 34 years. Aren't we, Tom?
Okay, we'll see. I'll try. Sure.
All right. But seriously, we'd like helping you, and go ahead and send us your question. Visit HomeShowRadio.com. You'll see new ones every day. HomeShowRadio.com, right? Our Facebook page, and, of course, our YouTube channel.